Germany, in the eyes of some, it is just a cold European country, but in reality, it is a world where beauty, elegance, history, and modernity converge on the same street. The energy of Berlin, the calm of Munich, the grace of Hamburg. Everyone who comes to this country is left with a single question: how can such aesthetics become a part of everyday life? Here, women captivate not only with their beauty, but with their naturalness, freedom, and confident presence. And the architecture, it is so full of art that as you walk the streets, every building, every bridge, every square tells you a story. Today, we will explore the unknown side of Germany. Don't blink, because we are just beginning. The moment you step into Germany, you are greeted by discipline and order, yet life here is not boring. On the contrary, everyone's planned lifestyle makes life flow more smoothly and enjoyably. Walking through the streets, the calm and polite demeanor of the people allows you to deeply feel the peaceful atmosphere of the country. No one interferes with anyone here, but everyone respects each other. Rules don't suffocate, they make life easier. Walking the streets of Berlin, the rhythmic sound of trams is like the heartbeat of the city. A voice inside you says, living here must be a completely different experience. On the streets, different ethnic groups, lifestyles, and cultures coexist, yet they all follow the same principle: freedom and respect. That's why Germany is not just beautiful, it's a place worth living. German women prove that perfect beauty is not a difficult standard. In this society, aesthetics come not from makeup, but from naturalness. Their beauty is not only in appearance, it is found in their confidence, education, and behavior. Sports culture is widespread. You see women running, cycling, and leading healthy lives. Therefore, they are also physically striking. Whether reading a book in a cafe, walking a dog in the park, or strolling along the harbor, that elegance, that natural grace, reflects in every scene. And here, beauty is not a competition. It is a character shaped over time. The cities of Germany are like open-air museums. In Berlin, modern glass towers stand next to historic buildings, as if the past is shaking hands with the future. In Munich, classical European architecture comes to life. Every building and square speaks with the voice of history. In Hamburg, the harbor city atmosphere blended with the smell of the sea, the sound of the wind, and modern bridges creates a scene as picturesque as a postcard. From cobblestones to bridge arches, every detail conveys the message, we do this with art. Walking in Germany is not just seeing the streets, it is breathing in a culture. Statues, museums, and wide squares are not mere decorations. They represent thought, civilization, and art. Germany carries the traces of history in its architecture, while reflecting the energy of modern life at the same time. This balance exists in very few places in the world. When evening comes, the city never sleeps, but there is no noise. There is aesthetics. Music rises from the streets. People gather together. You don't need to make an effort to meet someone. Conversation comes naturally in Germany. It is common for people to greet and talk in bars and cafes. Even if they appear distant at first, you quickly feel their sincerity. The nightlife is high quality. No danger, no discomfort, just a warm social atmosphere. People laugh, talk, share, always with control, always with respect. Germany is both traditional and modern. These do not conflict, they complement each other. At Oktoberfest, people enjoy themselves, and at Christmas markets, warmth and friendliness are felt. Yet if you turn your head, you see high-tech factories. This country is a center of innovation, engineering, science, and art. The world's largest brands, cars, machinery, medical technology come from here. Germany is not just an aesthetic country, it is a land of intellect and creativity. Not only the cities, but also the forests, lakes, and green parks. Germany offers a life integrated with nature. People exercise, go for walks, and breathe in the fresh air. Walking in the forest, you find peace among the birdsong. By the coast, the wind on your face brings a sense of freedom. There is a perfect balance between the chaos of the city and the tranquility of nature. And at the end of it all, only one question remains. Why is Germany so impressive? Because here, beauty is not just a facial expression, it is a way of life. Culture, history, aesthetics, discipline. When all come together, only one truth emerges. Germany is a country to be admired. And now, you have not just heard this, you have truly felt it. Because the soul of Germany, its streets, its people, its nature, has touched your heart.